You're witnessing a seismic shift in the AI landscape. OpenAI just launched GPT 5.6 Sol, its most powerful model yet. And this changes everything about how developers build applications. Backed by unique government partnerships, GPT 5.6 Sol promises to revolutionize AI deployment. The implications are massive. We're talking optimized performance, enhanced security, and unprecedented scalability. But here's the part that's got everyone buzzing. This launch could set a new standard for AI development tools. Imagine being able to create complex applications faster, smarter, and more efficiently than ever before. The potential use cases are staggering, from intelligent chatbots to autonomous systems. But what does this mean for the average developer? How will GPT 5.6 Sol impact the way we approach app creation? And what about the government partnerships? What role will they play in shaping the future of AI development? The answer to these questions could change the trajectory of the entire industry. But here's the thing, this is just the beginning. As we dive deeper into the world of AI innovation, you'll start to see a pattern emerge, one that challenges everything you thought you knew about the future of development. What if the most powerful AI models are no longer the only game changers in town? Vocabulary, revolutionize deployment, scalability, chatbots, autonomous. You think the launch of GPT 5.6 Sol is a game changer, but that's not all. Cursor's new mobile app is making coding more accessible than ever. Imagine being able to guide your coding agents from anywhere, at any time. This innovation is a direct result of Cursor's efforts to make coding more flexible for developers. As reported on Hacker News, this mobile app is a significant step forward. But what does this mean for the future of work? With the ability to code on the go, developers can stay productive and responsive while on the move. This could potentially change the dynamics of software development, allowing for more rapid iteration and collaboration. As one developer noted on Hacker News, this app is a total paradigm shift. I can finally code from anywhere without being tied to my desk. But as we consider the implications of this shift, a bigger question arises. What happens when the traditional boundaries between work and personal life start to blur? Are we heading towards a future where developers are always on? And if so, what are the consequences? The answer to this question will have significant implications for the industry, and it's one we'll be exploring further. Vocabulary, accessibility, innovation, flexibility, productivity, paradigm. You're coding on the go, with Cursor's mobile app making it easier than ever to guide your coding agents from anywhere. But meanwhile, another player in the AI tool landscape is making waves, Claude Code. Their price has just surged by 5x, and developers are up in arms, wondering if the new features justify the increased cost. The debate's raging on Hacker News, with some arguing that the premium features are worth every penny, while others claim it's a clear case of price gouging. As Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, once said, the most important thing is to get the technology right and then worry about the business model. But what happens when the business model starts to dictate the technology? Claude Code's new pricing model is forcing builders to reevaluate their tool sets and consider the trade-offs. It's not just about the price tag, though, it's about the opportunity cost of not using the right tools. What if the real cost of Claude Code isn't the $500 per month, but the missed opportunities and delayed projects that come with using inferior tools? As you weigh the pros and cons, you have to ask yourself, what's the true cost of not having the best tools in your arsenal? But here's the thing. There are other game-changing tools on the horizon, tools that could revolutionize the way you build applications. Are you prepared to adapt, or will you get left behind? Vocabulary, opportunity, trade-offs, inferior, arsenal, adapt. But here's what almost nobody is talking about. The Department of Commerce has just lifted export controls on advanced AI models like Claude Fable 5 and Mythos 5. This could accelerate AI development worldwide, but there's a catch. You see, with these new controls gone, the playing field is suddenly leveled for builders anywhere in the world. Developers can now access cutting-edge AI tools that were previously locked behind restrictive borders. But let's think about this. Are you ready to compete on a global scale? The implications are huge. Imagine being able to deploy Claude Fable 5 or Mythos 5 in a matter of days, rather than waiting months for approval. This could be the key to staying ahead of the curve and innovating faster than ever before. But here's the kicker. With this newfound access comes an even greater responsibility. How will you ensure your applications are secure? How will you navigate the ethical implications of deploying such powerful tools globally? The truth is, builders must now rethink their strategies. This isn't just about using new models. It's about understanding how to integrate them into global workflows in a way that benefits everyone. The game has changed, and the rules are different. So what will you do? Will you embrace these new opportunities or get left behind? You're seeing AI agents pop up everywhere, from automated customer support to complex data analysis. But here's what nobody's talking about. These agents are becoming increasingly capable of performing complex tasks autonomously. As Inside AI puts it, AI agents are the next frontier in automation. That's a bold claim, but the implications are huge. Imagine being able to offload entire workflows to autonomous agents, freeing you up to focus on high-level strategy and creativity. Sounds like a dream come true, right? But as you consider integrating these agents into your workflows, you need to ask yourself, what are the real limitations of these agents, and how can you harness their power? According to experts, AI agents can already perform tasks like data processing, content generation, and even basic decision-making. But what about the really complex stuff? Can they handle nuanced decision-making or high-stakes problem-solving? The answer for now is no. At least, not yet. As you explore the possibilities of AI agents, you'll need to understand their strengths and weaknesses. For example, Claude Fable 5 and Mythos 5, those advanced AI models we talked about earlier, are now more accessible than ever. But what does that mean for your workflow? How can you leverage these powerful tools to drive real results? The truth is, we're just starting to scratch the surface of what's possible with AI agents. And as you dive deeper into this world, you'll need to stay ahead of the curve. So what's the next step? How can you start harnessing the power of AI agents in your own work? That's what we'll explore next. But for now, the question is, are you ready to unlock the true potential of AI agents? Vocabulary, autonomy, workflows, automation, nuance, decision-making. You've seen the latest tools, the groundbreaking models, and the innovative applications. From OpenAI's GPT 5.6 Sol to Cursor's mobile app, and from Claude Code's new pricing to the lifted export controls on AI models, one thing is clear. The AI landscape is shifting fast. Builders who stay informed, who stay ahead of the curve, will be the ones to harness the real power of these technologies. Think about it. With GPT 5.6 Sol, developers can build applications that were previously unimaginable. With Cursor's mobile app, coding agents can be guided from anywhere, making development more flexible than ever. And with access to cutting-edge models like Claude Fable 5 and Mythos 5, the possibilities for innovation are endless. But here's the thing. The AI revolution isn't just about the tools. It's about the people who use them. It's about the builders, the developers, and the innovators who are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. And that's where you come in. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, if you want to be the first to know about the latest developments and innovations, then you need to be part of a community that's always looking to the future. That's where we come in. Subscribe to our channel for more insights, more analysis, and more commentary on the AI revolution. And get ready for our next video, where we'll be exploring the darker side of AI development. What are the risks, the challenges, and the unintended consequences of creating autonomous systems that can think and act like humans? It's a topic that's both fascinating and unsettling, and we'll be diving in deep to explore the implications. So, stay tuned, and let's keep the conversation going. The AI revolution is just getting started, and we're honored to have you along for the ride.